Hey everyone, just wanted to quickly welcome you to the Wig Cosmetology course and just give you some updates on what's new within this course. We just finished the first live course, which is Color Theory for Wigs. That was November 15th, 2020 of this year. You can click on this to watch the replay. And what you will see is there is a video there for you to watch the replay of this course. I actually go about giving you information on what we covered within that course. We give you a practice that you can do at any time at your leisure. We give you only 2 simple steps to follow because this is the first thing we want you guys to really understand is the difference between lifting hair or applying color or dyeing hair. And so now we want to talk more so or start off with the lifting of hair because we don't want to be a business that lifts hair or try to lift it to the blondest as possible, and then that ruins the integrity of whichever hair that you choose to use. So there is a practice here. There is a video referencing that. And as you continue to scroll down, you will notice that there is a color wheel here, and I have a few of them for you to download. They will definitely help you understand how to identify the colors, the undertones, how to tone, how to create cool and warm colors when it comes to hair extensions. Just pretty much everything you need to know when it comes to mixing color, and we'll be getting into box color in the next aspect of it. I'll be showing videos of that as well as Tawana J as well. So this is the course. It's all set up in here. The next one that you will see, I'm going to go to the home screen. The next one that we'll be having will be November 22nd. That's on hair extensions. So when you click on that, it will bring you to a screen to give you an idea of what we will be talking about within that course. There are some links and things that you can watch right now at this moment so you can get a little bit more information about hair extensions, this company that we're working with, Hair Nvidia, as well as some basic tips and things you probably need to know about hair extensions. You'll click on this black button here that says join the live course. That would be at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time because I'm located in Detroit, Michigan. So just wanted to make sure you guys are clear. Make sure you pay attention to your time zone. I'm Eastern, so you may be Central, or you may be in Europe time, or you may be post standard time. So all of those of you who are on the far west coast. So that is it, guys. Just want to make sure you know what's been updated. You'll see this happening again in your email to let you know what's going on. I'll see you guys in the next last class or the next live class.